We now have something that can be incredibly powerful to the patients, to the physicians. That's something totally different in the retina world.
And we're back at Eyecelerator 2025 alongside Arvo here in Deer Valley. And I've got a very special guest with me today, Rich Small, the CEO of Neurotech. Welcome to the program, Rich.
Thanks, Matt, and thanks for having us here. We're really excited.
Awesome. You know, Neurotech is a hot commodity right now. It's been working at the intersection of biotechnology and vision science for years.
What sets you up for a part in tackling degenerative retinal disease?
We're actually technically a cell-based gene therapy. Unlike a gene therapy that, it's either hit or miss, right? With us, it's not. Our safety profile is very, very good. So ECT actually combines all of those elements over an extended period of time to actually allow an effective treatment.
You know, a friend of mine, Dr. Mark Gillies, was working on the MacTel area for years. And I know that was an underserved condition, not served at all, actually. But why'd you start out with MacTel?
One of Mark's patients, and this is all public information, he was diagnosed with macular telangiectasia 20 years ago. And he was told at the time he's going to lose his sight. And furthermore, there is no treatment for it. So they brought in the world's leading experts. And then a few years later, they thought of CNTF, or the neurotrophic factor, which is what we're releasing. The collaboration with the Loeys, which starts out in 2010, actually led for our interest to get into MacTel.
ENCELTO, your gene therapy treatment for MacTel, has been a major milestone. I know you've gotten your FDA approval now. Gene therapy on the whole is often seen as a future-facing treatment model. What challenges did your team face in bringing ENCELTO this far?
The retinal doctors have all been trained to do it, so that's not a hurdle from that standpoint, but it's different because it's just not another type of injection. So there is an educational part to that. We want to make sure that everybody is well understands what we're doing. We're a resource. We want to make sure it's flawless. So we're, hand-holding the physicians around the surgical procedure. We're hand-holding the patients through the whole reimbursement standpoint. We're working closely with the surgical centers. Every single aspect of this procedure, we're putting controls in place to handle it, as well as, talking to the payer community around a one-time treatment, because this is something totally different.
That's fascinating. It's more than just a product. It sounds like logistics in action.
The logistics is extremely important here, and how to get it from a central warehousing into the surgical center, where it's a lot of work and logistics that we put together.
Now, ENCELTO has put Neurotech on the map as a gene therapy innovator in ophthalmology. How do you see your delivery platform evolving for broader applications or combination therapies?
The core of the technology is anything to protect the health of the back of the eye, photoreceptors. So any molecule that actually potentially that could protect the photoreceptors or the health of the retina that we could release, we potentially could have a treatment for.
What's your vision for Neurotech's role in the next decade of ophthalmology?
It's funny because I've been telling the team for a long time now, they were sick of hearing me when they say, what else can we do? I said, get it approved through the FDA. Now I tell them, get this as a standard of care within the community. We have such a great opportunity, and we need to be flawless with it. Once we do that, we can go into other type of, potential diseases that could really utilize our technology.
We've really enjoyed some time together here at Eyecelerator 2025 in Deer Valley. Thanks for coming out.
And great, Matt. Thank you for having us.
All right, Rich.